Good morning, traders. How are you today? It was a pretty crazy day yesterday with all the indices, the semiconductors, gold, silver going up pretty sharply. It was the last day of the close, the monthly close. And what was super important was the dump in the VIX, in the dollar index, with a little impulse that seems completed on the low time frame. The 10-year bond yield that was going down for some time, it hit a key resistance, and the only one between the quadrant that is really negative for risk assets and metals is oil, and oil is not going down right now. We should really watch the oil chart all the time, and if it goes above $105, it could be really nasty for risk assets. Anyways, yesterday was fine. Let's see how we start the month, and the market is going to tell us everything we need to know. So today we're going to talk about a little concept that you maybe know. It is called the measure move, the bullish measure move. So here you have this little price pattern with a little uptrend here with a swing low, a swing high, and you're going to draw this tool, the Fib retracement tool, and you're going to anchor it at the very bottom to the very top of the little uptrend. And what you're going to have is key retracements. The key retracements are the 50% retracement and the 61.8 retracement. You're going to add also the 65% retracement, and you'll have a golden zone comprised of those two latest retracements. And what algos do when they trade, they come and buy at the 50% retracement and also at the 61.8 retracement. So they buy in this green box and target the negative 236, another Fib number. And they do this in all kinds of instruments, in oil, in gold, in commodities, in the risk assets, in indices, in Bitcoin. And you're going to see what they did in the S&P 500. It was really spectacular. And all this is to acknowledge what could be an amazing opportunities in stocks, and that will be the end of the demonstration. But just check what happened here in 2022. You had this swing low, okay, this swing high. What happened? We went in the green box at the very top of it, the 50% retracement, and went up and hit the target. We had another bullish measure move that you could anchor on the very low of the ChatGPT launch, you know, I call it like this. It was launched, I think, in November 2022, and the low was in October. Anyways, you anchor it from the low to the top before the trade war triggered the correction. And what did we get? 50% retracement again. We went to target. And now you guess what? We're waiting for another measure move, the third one here, which could lead us to these prices. Between 5,920 points and 5,658 points for the S&P 500. If we get there, there's gonna be a nice opportunity. Algos are going to long, are going to invest, and time will tell if you get there. Maybe this bounce we had yesterday is maybe the start of a counter trend move, and we're going to go back down in the coming month maybe, and bottom during the summer. Let's see how it unfolds, and we're going to track all this together here on YouTube or on the Discord. If you like this video, please like it, please share it, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and let's talk tomorrow. Bye-bye.